Hey everyone, Jesse here with Jamie Dolan doing a little Helpertech talk. And today we're going to be talking with Jamie about fast iPhone screen repair. I think we know Helpertech offers 15-minute iPhone repair, correct?
Correct.
That's pretty darn fast.
It is. Yeah, a lot of our competitors give you a window of an hour or same day repair. And it's been our experience, and we've been doing screen repairs now for about 6 years, that not everybody has that much time or wants to make a return trip back to your store. So from the very beginning, we've offered a 15-minute screen repair. And a lot of people say, well, you can't do it that fast. We actually can, and we've been doing it for 6 years. Because again, there's certain customer base out there. Let's take the businessman or woman. You've got your lunch break to get some of your errands done. You don't have time for a 2-hour repair window if you've only got 1 hour to run around back and forth. So very convenient for those that are busy. Also, too, a lot of people have children. So again, difficult to load them all up into the car, haul them from place to place, and then say, we'll come back in yet another hour.
Yeah.
So again, we offer that 15-minute repair window. What's really nice from our standpoint on that is we're able to draw customers from outlying areas because, again, their local repair shop might say, well, it's about 2 hours before we can get your repair done. So even though you might be a 40-minute drive from our store, if you add together the travel time and the repair time, we can still get that repair done quicker than your local repair shop can because of that 2-hour window that they're quoting you. Yeah. And again, if you want to choose that 15-minute window, add that to your travel time, you're back to where you came from. So let's take St. Paul for an example. If you travel from St. Paul to Egan, you're looking at maybe a half-hour drive depending on exactly where you're at. Add that 15 minutes plus another half-hour return. You're talking an hour and 15 minutes, and you're back home with your phone fixed plus $20 in accessories that you got for free, where had you gone to your local repair shop, you might still be in the lobby waiting to get serviced.
Sure. And you just said something really quick there just to back up. $20 in free accessories. What are you talking about there?
With every screen repair that we do, every new screen repair that is, we give $20 in store credit to the customer to spend on accessories.
Okay.
So we got charge cables, cases, tempered glass screen protectors. There's a lot of places to choose to get your phone repaired at. So as a thank you to our customers, we give them that $20 in the store credit. Many customers do choose a tempered glass in a case because they want to protect that investment they just made in getting their phone fixed. They don't want to break it again. So again, likely choice that they're going to take that tempered glass in the case with the hope that they can make that new screen that last that much longer.
Makes sense. If I'm in there with a broken screen and I got 15 minutes to kind of mill around and shop, I might want to pick something that prevents my screen from getting broken again.
Exactly. We get that comment a lot when we tell them to get that store credit. They say, "Where's your cases?"
Right.
Right.
That makes sense.
Yeah, and another nice point. In addition to doing the repairs in 15 minutes, we don't require an appointment to be made because, again, our goal is to make this convenient for the customer. We used to ask the customer when they come in the door, how are you doing? We know how they're doing. They're upset. They just broke their phone. They're going to have to pay, $100, $200 to get that phone fixed. So what we can do for the customer is, again, to get them in and out the door as quick as possible, make things as painless as possible for them. So again, with our no appointment needed strategy here, we don't want to have you conform your life around our time to get this repair done. Because again, we want to make this as convenient for you as possible. So when you're ready and you have time, you come into our store. If you've only got a half hour to work with, we have a 15-minute repair option you can choose so you can get back to your life. Now, if you've got a little more time, we do also have the 1 hour option if time's not of the essence for you. But again, many customers find themselves in a position where the breakage was not expected on the phone and they need a quick repair so they can get back to what they were doing. That's why we have that 15-minute repair option for them.
So customers want to get a hold of you, how would they find you?
You can call us at the store. The number is 651-605-2570. You're always welcome to send me an email to Jamie, and that's Jamey @helpertech.com, or you can send me a message on Facebook. That's facebook.com/Helpertech.
Awesome. Thanks, Jim.
You're welcome.